Hi everyone, this is Ricky Carter, and this is my second video in the series of artifacts for the EDS Counselor Leadership Reflective ePortfolio for the Specialist Seminar class. And my choice for the second artifact was from the Consultation and Systemic Interventions class. And this class was basically about utilizing consultation as a collaborative tool. And so I chose the three pieces of work that I have in the ePortfolio, which included the reflection of the book Switch, How to Change Things When Change is Hard. And this was really another amazing book about the conflict between our rational mind and our emotional mind, and how they compete when faced with change, and how to honor both of those in ways that foster effective change even when it's hard. And so I found that book incredibly important as a part of this class. And I also included a consultation case paper for which we were asked to partner with a colleague about an issue that they were experiencing, and to use that opportunity for an interview during which we identified and discuss the components of our learning throughout the class, and then created an intervention plan and report our plan, evaluation, and outcomes. And so along with that came my consultation self-analysis that spoke about my awareness during that experience with my colleague. And so I felt that these items were my best work because through the process of doing them, they really helped me reframe my concept of what I had originally considered consultation to be when I first entered the class. And I mentioned in my self-analysis paper that I had always viewed consultation as a business focused strategic model created by someone who is hired for their expertise in a particular field or a subject. And so I found that these assignments were valuable because of the strategies we were invited to try, to just try out and test ourselves as a part of the learning that really allowed for practical application. But most of all, what I gained from these assignments were the concepts of having the courage to be imperfect in the consultation process, while also recognizing the opportunities available for realizing that I'm capable of utilizing and building on my basic skill sets that I learned in the class to offer consultation collaboratively and effectively in various situations in my office and in my professional life. I don't think anything was missing from this class. There were so many helpful resources and the videos for demonstrating the consultation strategies and what that looks like, and even some examples of what it should not look like, which I found really helpful. So the assignments really helped us think more critically about the concepts along the way, and then at the end we really got to utilize those in a real life situation with a colleague at work, and then really reflect on that and notice what our strengths and weaknesses were in the interview process, as well as the entire situation with the person and how we collaborated with that person. So the assignments really helped inform my work professionally because they helped me realize how many opportunities are actually available in my new work environment for consultation to foster more creative collaboration and problem solving among my team members. So I really came out of this class with a different idea of what consultation was, but most importantly, to realize over the course of the class how much consultation I actually do, and never really thought of it that way, and that noticing that I had the skills to continue that and build on those basic skills by what I learned in this class, to utilize that as more collaborative efforts in my professional life, in my work environment. Thank you for listening. It was a great class.